You will take a reading test in English. When you see this screen, click on Reading. When you see this screen, click on Begin the Test. You will read the words and choose your answers on the computer. First, you will see a big picture. Look at the picture and read the words. Then click the Next button. Read the question. Look at the picture and read the words to find the answer. Look at the answer choices. Click on a circle to choose an answer. You can click on a different circle to change your answer. After you choose your answer, click the Next button to continue. You might see a question like this one. Read the question and read the words to find the answer. You will see the answer choices in the picture. Click on a box in the picture to choose an answer. You can click on a different box to change your answer. You might see a question like this one. Read the question and read the words to find the answer. You will see the answer choices in the big picture. Above the big picture, you will see a small picture. To answer the question, move the small picture to one of the boxes. You can move the small picture to a different box to change your answer. After you answer 3 practice questions, click the Next button to begin the reading test. When you finish the reading test,